reception, it's Miss Adams here today and I'm going to do a rainbow fish science experiment. It's called Will the Rainbow Fish Sparkle? All you need is your rainbow fish that you might have made last week at your house, and see if you can add some glitter or some sparkly material or paper to it, because we're going to need it to sparkle for us. Can you see how mine is sparkling? I'm going to hold it up and you can have a look. See if you can describe what it looks like to your grown-up at home. At the bottom of the ocean, it's really dark because the sunlight doesn't get to the bottom of the ocean. Do you think that a fish at the bottom of the ocean, like the rainbow fish, would sparkle? Put your thumbs up if you think so. Thumbs down if you don't. Thumbs in the middle if you're not sure whether the rainbow fish would sparkle. Well, it's light in my house at the moment, so the rainbow fish is really sparkling in my living room. But later, I'm going to see if the rainbow fish will sparkle in the dark. So tonight, when it gets really dark, I'm going to see if my rainbow fish sparkles. Put your thumb up if you think it's going to sparkle at night time when it's dark. Put your thumb down if you don't think it will sparkle. Put your thumb in the middle if you're not sure. Ooh, we'll find out together. So I'm going to see you a little bit later to see if the rainbow fish will sparkle. See you soon. Hello reception, I'm back now and I'm in a really dark room because it's night time. I'm going to get the rainbow fish. It's going to be in front of the camera. Let's see if we can see him sparkling. Oh, can we see the rainbow fish sparkling or not? We can't, can we? Oh, I'm going to get a torch to see if the rainbow fish will sparkle with a torch. Let's see. Okay, get ready reception. I'm going to shine my torch on the rainbow fish now and let's see if it sparkles. Ooh, reception, what can you see? Tell your grown-up. Is the rainbow fish sparkling now that the torch is shining on it? Ooh, have a think. I've turned the light back on now, reception. So, what did we see when it was all dark? Did the rainbow fish sparkle? No, it didn't, did it? What happened when we shined a torch on it? Did it sparkle then? Yes, it did, didn't it? Oh, you'll have to find out if yours sparkled in the dark or whether you need something to make the rainbow fish sparkle. What did we need to make the rainbow fish sparkle? Have a think. Yes, that's right, we needed light, didn't we? So we either need daylight, like the sun, or we could use a torch to make the rainbow fish sparkle. I hope you have fun doing this experiment at home reception. Bye bye!